This guide provides a step-by-step walkthrough of Slack Premium Action using Topline and Slack. The account needs to have an active Slack account integrated before a Slack action usage. Head over to the Account Settings page greater than Integration and pick Slack. Although the Lead Connector Slack app is not yet approved by Slack, it is expected to be approved in the near future. Therefore, you can continue to use the app. Select the option Marketing on the left side menu. Navigate to the Workflows tool on the Marketing pop-up. Click on the plus Create Workflow button located on the upper right side of the view. Click on Continue to start from scratch. Click on the plus icon to add your first action. Select the Slack action. Choose the account you want to add to the workflow. Select the option you need to do with the workflow. If the event is Send Direct Message to User, you will have 4 options to pick from. Assigned user of the contact. Custom email. Add a specific email to search your Slack workspace for the user and then send out the message. Internal user. Users from your account. Slack user. Directly search your Slack workspace users by name. Navigate to the Select a User Source section. This is used to send out notification for the assigned user of the contact. In this case, the email of the user assigned to the contact is used to find the Slack user. This is used for all the cases where you need to have a dynamic user to send notification to. The custom email that is filled in is used to find the matching of a Slack user. This is for all those cases where you do not have the user predefined. Either type in the email, or select from list of custom variables using the custom variable picker. Use this option if you want to send in the message to one of the account users. Typically used to send notification to particular users who would be responsible for certain section of your business. Say, sending out information on successful opportunity 1 to your finance head. The email of the internal user selected is used to find the Slack user here. Choose the internal user you want to send a direct message. This is as simple as it sounds. Send direct message to any Slack user of your workspace. Please note that Slack allows only a limited number of users to be fetched at once. So if you don't see your user by typing out the name, please hit the Load More button. This will keep searching until you have the required user found. If the user is in the bottom of the list, you might have to hit the Load More button a couple of times. This is only for the workspaces having more than 2,000 users. Select the Slack user you want to send a direct message. Insert message to send direct message to a user. You can use the extensive custom variable picker to send out information about a contact, or any of the CRM-related information. If the event is Send Public Channel Message, you will have to select which public channel you want to send messages to. Please note that Slack allows only limited number of public channels to be fetched at once. So if you don't see the desired channel by typing out the name, please hit the Load More button. This will keep searching until you have the required channel found. If the channel is in the bottom of the list, you might have to hit the Load More button a couple of times. This is only for the workspaces having more than 2,000 channels. Insert message to send to the public channel. You can use the extensive custom variable picker to send out information about a contact, or any of the CRM-related information. If the event is Send Private Channel Message, you will have to select which private channel you want to send messages to. Select the desired channel to send the message. It's important to be aware that when sending messages to a private channel, these messages will be sent as the user who created that Slack integration, not as the bot. Therefore, it will appear as if it was sent manually by the user itself. Insert message to send to the private channel. You can use the extensive custom variable picker to send out information about a contact, or any of the CRM-related information.